What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's going to be a little bit different of a video. I'm not going to be doing hands-on things. I want to get into talking about print on demand. I started print on demand probably about 5 months ago. So basically for me, in my area, I got, word of mouth. I get orders through, word of mouth local people. And, that's great, which I'm happy for that. That's how I want my business to be ran. But I also wanted to get into selling online too. So I was looking into different ways of how I could sell online. So I decided, I went with Etsy because it was just basically they charge you just to publish it and pretty much just your shipping fees and all that stuff. So I started an Etsy probably way back when I started my t-shirt business. And then probably about 5-6 months ago, I actually heard about, I've heard about print on demand, but I heard about like Printful and Printify and everything like that. So I looked into it. I heard it through YouTube or through, other people talking online or seeing things online. So I was trying to understand what print on demand is, because I was like, well, how are you going to make any money if someone else is printing your stuff for you, or, stuff like that. So I've been using Printful for 5 months now, and I didn't want to put a video out until I actually, tried it out and see how it works out for me. So within the last couple weeks, I started using Printful. I wasn't really getting any Etsy orders besides, family, friends, or, just random people online once in a blue moon through the stuff I was putting up, because I couldn't get my stuff out there. Then I looked into videos and read online that you need to get a lot of stuff in your store. And me doing, I still work a 9-to-5, plus doing my t-shirt business on the side locally for people. I was like, well, where am I going to find the time to actually, upload all my stuff, which I was doing at the time. I had about 100 things in there, but I was like, everybody's saying I got to have, a ton of things, like 600 things in there. And I'm like, I got all this other stuff I'm doing. I still work my full-time job. So I was like, oh, I keep hearing about this print on demand thing. So I looked into it. So I was like, well, I'll give it a shot. You go on there, you pay their price, you make your designs and put your designs up there. So that's what I do. I put my designs up there, and they have templates and things you could use. It's basically for anyone could get on and do this. So I was like, let me try this out and see what happens. So I started it probably back in December, and just recently in the beginning, basically I'd say February, it just started taking off. The more and more stuff I was putting up there, it just started getting noticed more in Etsy. I started getting more orders. I'm up to about 45 orders at this point, which doesn't seem a lot, but to me, just for this year, my Etsy wasn't making any movement until I started using the print on demand. The Printful, in Printful, they actually have the descriptions, everything. It makes it so much quicker for you. They have all your inventory, and you could also send them, what you want packed in your packages, for your customers, everything like that. So within the first 5 months of using Printful, which I'll get to the point of all this, is basically I didn't think anything was going to happen. I was just going into it, just winging it. Yeah, there's people that could do this and they're making crazy money on it. You never know. Everybody knows that. So I tried it for myself, and probably within a couple weeks of me just, I went like every night. At night, I was putting up like 3-4 items. I did this for probably like 3-4 weeks straight. And now I'm at a point where I'll do like 2 items a day. I'll put some new stuff up. But then I started getting more attraction. This isn't using Etsy ads or nothing. I tried Etsy ads. I didn't get no orders from Etsy ads. Nothing against Etsy, but that's just my opinion on it. So as I started uploading more, all my SEOs started going up. My views, from social medias, all types of things the percentages started going up. And then I started getting orders. So within the last couple months, I already got probably about 35 to 40 orders that came just from Printful orders, and they still keep coming. Like, before I'm even doing this video, which is one of the reasons why I decided to do this video, I got 3 orders yesterday in one day. And you make profit on them as long as you set the profit margin good and everything, but you make profit. Say you have to pay Printful, say $15, then you put up your price, and then you get the profit back from what, and Etsy still takes their part for what they need for basically their shipping costs and taxes and all that. But I'm making profit. I have not went negative since I've been using Printful at all, and I'm making profit with Printful, and they're doing all my orders for me online. So that gives me time for me to actually do my orders locally of people who need stuff in my area that come to me to get t-shirts done. I don't have to worry about the online thing besides answering customers, things like that. Like I had one person needed a return, so I did the return for them. Another person didn't put their address in right, so I had to go in and fix that. So basically my only time working with that is putting up my designs, picking what products I want to use, which my stuff's pretty much all t-shirts, hats, things like that. And the only time I ever got to go on there basically is to check if someone has a problem with an order. So far in my 5 months of using Printful, I'm sticking with just Printful and Etsy right now. That's just my choice. I know other people are going to say, hey, there's other ones out there. I know there is, but I tend to do basically one step at a time with things. Like basically how I was with my heat presses and everything. Get one heat press, started my business, it started taking off. People started getting shirts, went and got a better heat press, things like that. That's how I work. And everybody does everything different. There is no right way to do this type of stuff. So I just wanted to make a video and say, basically I use print on demand for 5 months. And so far my experience with print on demand has worked out for me. And I'm going to actually do an update video probably within the next 5 months to, tell everybody, because I don't want that to strictly be my channel is talking about print on demand. That's basically my side hustle, a side of my business. It's all part of my business, but that's my side thing that I do. I'm more into doing the hands-on, doing, custom orders myself. That's just a little way that anybody can make extra income. So I'm basically letting them do it for me on that. I got income coming in from that. I got income coming in from doing my t-shirts. Plus I work my 9-to-5 job. So within these last 5 months, I've probably pulled in about, I'd say, probably $800 from using Printful. So there is money to be made out there using print on demand. And I'm not sponsored by anybody. I'm a small YouTuber still. Like I said, I just put these YouTube videos out to help people starting off, with basically people who don't have $100,000 to go buy all this equipment to start a printing business. Starting off, $500 to $1,000. That's why I'm putting out videos. So I wanted to put out this video that I've tried it myself. So far, I've had a good experience with print on demand with Printful. So I just wanted to put this video out there real quick. Let everybody know my experience. I will update on doing the print on demand in later videos. So that was just my quick video today for you guys. So if you would like, comment, subscribe, and I'm keep coming out with some more of this t-shirt content. I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace.